I'm just the bad guy? You don't know shit. You don't know shit about me. I wrote a little song so you can understand why I do the things I do a little bit more better. It's called It's Nature. Shit happens. Some people are born skinny. Some people are born fat. Some people are born evil with the eyes of a cat. It's nature. Shit happens. There's nothing you can do. For what made Jeffrey Dahmer tick or Hitler hate the Jews? It's nature. Shit happens. There's nothing to be done. Pol Pot committed genocide. Darth Vader killed for fun. Why does everybody hate me? When will it all pass? I'm going to bend over so you can kiss my balls. It's nature. It happens. God made me what I am. Just like Charlie Manson, Michael Moore, and Son of Sam. It's nature. Shit happens. I'm not trying to be coy. That's just the way God made me, bitches. That's why I sodomize that